I'm Josh from Skid Pro. Today we're going to take an in-depth look at our family of mulchers. We got the 300 standard flow, 500 standard and high flow, and our big 900 high flow. Within these three models, there's a multitude of different motor and setup options, tailor-made to your machine and work situation. So before you decide which mulcher is best for you, I always recommend to give a product guru a call and have an in-depth discussion on what you're trying to accomplish, what your machine is for hydraulic output, and then they can make sure we get you on the right mulcher for the job every time. Now let's check out our SP900 high flow mulcher. Here's our 900 series mulcher, the biggest, baddest, nastiest mulcher in the entire Skid Pro lineup. Sheer size alone, almost 3,000 pounds operating weight. The drum, nearly 20 inches in diameter and almost tips the scales at 1,000 pounds alone. We're talking some serious mass, steel, and durability here. It's set up for the most demanding conditions on the biggest skid loaders on the planet. Up to 45 and 50 gallons per minute and over 4,000 PSI, this is the mulcher for that job. You look at the frame, you look at the push bar, it's gusseted, it's strong, it's built for good visibility. This unit is stout. The 900 mulcher is also packed full of features to help make the unit easier to use for the operator. We start with skid shoes. Extra large skid shoes for maximum flotation. 10 inches wide, about 45 inches long. They're a radius shoe, so they'll help float over uneven terrain. They're adjustable, so you can dig in the dirt or keep your teeth up and out of the dirt, depending on what your job calls for. The 900 also has the armored Skid Pro hoses, protective nylon sleeves, urethane wrap, and of course the steel extension to get those hoses up and out of the way of the pinch points. That means reduction of downtime and untimely breakdowns in the field. We've talked before, the two most important features on a mulcher, drivetrain, drum. Well, it's even more critical when we're dealing with the high gallons per minute, high line pressure that are going to go on this 900 series machine. This open drum style unit has 38 massive cutting teeth. They're actually a double tipped carbide tooth that's almost 2 inches wide. It delivers a devastating, aggressive cut to power through brush and trees. The Power Lock teeth utilizes a holder and tooth that blends together for an almost perfect fit. The cup and cone mount is machined into the holder and forged into the tooth. That makes a stronger bolt-on mounting system that assures added durability and reduced stress on the mounting bolt. The 900 series was built always keeping in mind commercial rated industrial durability and long-lasting use. Now that we've discussed the drum, let's take a look inside at the drive system. The heart and soul of any mulcher is the drivetrain. It's why we run the time-tested, industry-proven pulley and timer belt system. So it all starts with a bent axis piston motor up top. That goes into the main drive pulley. Then you have our super strength timer belt that goes down to the main rotor pulley. This drive system is designed for maximum responsiveness, high torque, finely tuned RPMs, And yet, one of the most critical parts of the system is the elasticity built in, the safeties. You look at how fast that drum is turning, and if that gets into something that locks it up, you need to have some give within the drive system that will give you durability for years and years of use. This system does that. Here's the bent axis piston motor and the custom-made pressure relief block. From start to finish, not a single design element on the 900 series was overlooked. It is the pinnacle of industrial commercial use. The SP900 clearly can go toe-to-toe with any mulcher in the industry. Here at Skid Pro, we've got a mulcher for every machine and every work situation. For more information, call a product guru at 877-378-4642 or visit us on the web, www.skidpro.com.